In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube thumbnail after already posting your video. So this can be useful if you've accidentally posted the wrong thumbnail, or if you just want to test a different thumbnail design for your video. Now, you can do this by coming over to the YouTube website, making sure you're logged into your account, and then clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand side. From these list of options, click on YouTube Studio, click on Content from the left hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down and find the video that you want to change the thumbnail for. So let's say, for example, this is the video that we wanted the thumbnail changed. What you would need to do is click on this details button next to the video and then scroll down to the thumbnail section, and if we hover over the thumbnail you can see these three vertical dots. Click on this and then press change, and now from here you can select the new thumbnail that you want to upload to your video. And once you've uploaded the new thumbnail, you can simply click on change in the top right hand side, and then that may take a few minutes to update in your YouTube dashboard. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.